Okay, we have our data. We have labels on our axes. Our data is filling up the screen fairly nicely. Look at that. Now we want to get our line that goes through the origin. Remember, at time 0, this ball had traveled 0 distance, so it's fair to put an extra point in there at 0, 0. We want to get a line that goes through all these data points as best we can. We're going to try using sliders this time. So click on the number 2 down below our data table there. Now, remember our linear equation. This looks like a straight line to me, roughly at least. So I'm going to propose we remember our linear equation, y equals mx plus b. That's exactly what we're going to type, y equals mx plus b. Remember the m, that's our slope. X, of course, is our x variable, our independent variable, time in this case. And b is our y-intercept. So let's see what happens. We're going to create all the sliders. They're going to be one for M, one for B. Bang. And we got our purple line down there. It is not in the right place. There's a couple of problems with it that I see. One, it's almost flat. Two, it's just a little bit above our origin point. It's real easy to fix problem number 2. Let's just bring B down to 0. Now it's definitely going to go through the origin because the y-intercept will be 0, right where we want it. Now we can try our slider, bring it up, up, up. Oh, there it goes. We just run out of slider before we go far enough, don't we now? So what can we do about that? Well, click on the number 10 that's to the right of this. And let's make that 100. Press enter. Now look at our slider. It goes all the way up to 100. Awesome. So, wham, too far. But look at that. We have enough range here that we can kind of try. And of course, not all the data points are going to hit. Some are going to be a tiny bit above. Some are going to be a tiny bit below. How about right there? M equals 82. So we now have an equation that says y equals, we look down at what m is, 82x plus b. Remember, b is 0. So y equals 82x plus 0. It looks like this. Y equals 82x plus 0. And so now I've drawn another line exactly over my purple line, but in blue this time. Now, do we need a 0 in here? No, because plus 0 doesn't do anything for us. Let's get rid of that. Y equals 82x. That is a fine equation for a line, best fit line that fits our data. Yours will not be 82 because you should not be using the same data that I am. But you should be able to use this technique to find your best fit line. You may need to make the slider value go above 100. You could try 200. That would work too. All right, thank you.